Hey everyone, what's going on? Aaron here with RHR Swag out here on this frigid North Dakota day. Today we got a special treat for you. We have a selection of tonneau covers in this video with also added rack combos. On this one we have here our Low Max Original with the added Retracting Pro Series rack. Now, not every tonneau cover works with every rack, and some tonneau covers don't work with any racks at all. So in this video you're going to see a lot of information between roll-ups, folding, soft folding, hard folding, and then even retracting covers. And it's going to give you a little information on which one of those can work with the rack or how you can get set up to have a rack with that tonneau cover. Okay, so let's get started. How to choose a tonneau cover. The RHR 1S Roll-Up Premium Vinyl Roll-Up Cover. Clamp on install, fast open and close. Seals on all sides or store it forward for big cargo. Works with racks like Access Light Rider, Premium Roll-Up Vinyl Cover, Fast Open and Close, Clamp on Install, and a 5-year warranty. Adjustable tension, works with the Retracting. Access Tonneau Sport, Vinyl Roll-Up Cover. Open it fast, store it forward for big cargo. Slide locking system locks. Works with racks like Access Vanish, Trigger Latch Release, Tension Control System, Full Clamp on Install. Premium Vinyl Roll-Up Cover. The Truck Sport Vinyl Roll-Up Cover, featuring paddle latch and release systems, a full clamp install, 5-year warranty, and a full auto tension system, making sure it's always looking tight. Unfortunately, no racks work. The RHR XL Roll-Up Premium Vinyl Cover. Roll it up fast and store it forward for big cargo. Seals on all 4 sides. Keep out the weather. Works with racks. The Access Original Roll-Up, featuring dual locking latches, full clamp-on install. Keep your cargo safe and dry. Works with the Retracting. Access Laredo, Premium Vinyl Roll-Up, super low profile, quick clamp install, and dual locking latches. Works with the Retracting M Series, Contour, Pro, and Original. Access Toolbox Edition does not work with a rack. The Access Limited Edition, Luxury Soft Roll-Up Cover. Fast clamp install, dual locking latches, and even includes a cargo grabber for that hard to reach cargo. Included is the LED bed light. Works with the Retracting. Soft folding. The Lear Latitude SC. The soft tri-fold truck bed cover from Lear, featuring the sync latching 2-finger opening system. Folded open for 2/3 bed access. Locks with the tailgate, but does not work with a rack of any kind. Hard folding truck bed covers. The Lear HF350M. This is a hard tri-fold truck bed cover, featuring the sync latching system. Stores vertical with the prop rods. Has a full clamp-on install. Can be stored forward for 2/3 bed access. Works with the Retracting Pro. The Lear HF650M, a hard quad folding truck bed cover, again featuring the sync latching system, full clamp-on install, stored forward for 3/4 bed access, and even keep that third brake light visible. Easily closes and secures with tailgate. Works with the Retracting Pro. The Lomax Original aluminum trifold truck bed cover, featuring a 10-point locking system, full clamp-on install, 4 finish options available, and even completely remove it. Works with the Retracting Pro. The Lomax Stance aluminum trifold truck bed cover, clamp-on install, stored vertical, 10-point locking panels, black urethane finish. The rack is installed, vertical storage is lost. Retracting. The Pace Edwards switchblade. Full clamp-on install, completely removable, making room for all the big cargo. 2 finish options to choose from, metal or Armor-Tech vinyl. Hardcover security and full retracting. Add Explorer Series rails for rack systems. The Pace Edwards Jackrabbit retracting truck bed cover. Clamp-on install, locks every 12 inches, fully removed for full bed access, and comes in metal or Armor-Tech finishes. Add T-slot rail system. The Pace Edwards Ultra Groove retracting truck bed cover, featuring T-slotted rails for added rack systems, available in aluminum, textured, or vinyl covered finishes, locks every 12 inches, available in electric. Add T-slot rail system. Works with additional Thule or Yakima rack systems. The Pace Edwards bed locker. Clamp-on install, fully electric and locks when it stops. Optional T-slotted rail systems, or works with any Pace Edwards, Thule, or Yakima rack systems. Okay guys, thank you. There we have it. A lot of information going on there. So if you have any extra questions on anything, make sure you stop by to rhrswag.com. Hit up one of our representatives. They'll be happy to answer any of your questions that you might have. And feel free to like and subscribe to RHR Swag, and go ahead and comment down below, if you guys have anything you would like to see, any future videos, or anything that you would just like pictured, any sweet stuff that you want us to build possibly. Feel free to let us know. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.